Helen Craft Fuse 808 located in Fabric All at Walmart. 2 layers, about 1 yard folded in half. Use a plate to make your circle. Add a dot at 2 inches around the circle measuring from the line. Connect the dots making another circle. Staple around the circle in the middle of the 2 lines, cutting as you go. Fold in half to make a small cut in the middle, then open and cut at the middle circle. Lay out your circle and cut out a top piece where we will be adding the ribbon to tie the lei. Using $100 bills, max you can add on the lei. Add the bills in between the 2 layers but overlapping the money, fanning them out. Once everything is in place, get your stapler and staple everything together. Also double check no money is loose. Use 1.5-inch ribbon, your choice of color. There is 3 rows of ribbon. The bottom row is 7 inches long. Cut about 30 pieces. For the top row, cut them 6.5 inches long, about 30 pieces. For the middle row, cut them 4.5 inches long, also about 30 pieces. The first and second row ribbons, fold them in half and staple the ends. The middle row ribbon, you will cut a triangle piece out. Cut out about a yard of ribbon, fold it in half and cut in the middle. You will be adding a piece on each end, in between the paper, and staple them together. Next row is the 4.5-inch ribbon. You glue them on top of the bottom row and fan them out. Top row is the 6.5-inch ribbon. You glue on top of the middle row, on the leftover white piece, and fan them out. Last step is adding your choice of gemstones, or you can use small flowers as well and glue them to the lei. And there you go, a beautiful money lei for someone special. Thanks for watching.